My name is Karen and I'm really excited today. I am going to be having this Tuff Shed built that I have been looking at and eyeing on for a few months now, and so today's finally the day that's going to happen. I do need a space to be able to store a lot of different things when it comes to gardening and tending to chickens, and so I've been looking at trying to find a solution for that, and a Tuff Shed just seemed like the best fit for me. I was really wanting to have something that was built to last, and Tuff Shed was really the thing that I was finding that was going to be the best solution. So designing my shed was so smooth. I felt like I have been having tremendous help and support along the whole way, from having somebody coming out and making sure that my shed will fit on the pad that I already had. It was also really nice to talk to somebody, because then I knew for sure that what I was looking at was going to be feasible and viable for what I was actually wanting. So I decided to get a 10 by 12 Premier tall barn to fit my needs as far as what I was looking for with all of my storage and what I was wanting, and having a lofted area and going vertically with this barn seemed like the best solution as well. I felt like being able to have my own paint and being able to have it match my house was a big key about being able to even say yes to Tuff Shed, because I did want a very specific color, and so to go with a company that is very open to having that done was very ideal. The keyless touchpad entry to get into the shed is an amazing upgrade that I'm really excited about, because I don't want to look for a key all the time. And if I'm going in and out, or I may be leaving home and coming back, I don't want to keep thinking about opening and closing the door with a key.
Same with the phone.
Okay.
The batteries run it.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. I've had this Tuff Shed for 5 months now. I have been having such an amazing time with this Tuff Shed. The first thing I did in my Tuff Shed was dance in it. I have been loving the lofted storage. I couldn't imagine not having that in this shed, just because of how much more space I have to be able to store things. I love the fact that I have a workbench to be able to put things on and do work on it, and being able to use the pegboard for hanging up everything that I want for organization. It's been amazing to have that keyless entry. I have the key tucked away where I know where it's at, but I don't have to keep carrying it around in the yard, which is great. I do feel like this Tuff Shed is built sturdy and built tough. I'm Karen and I love my Tuff Shed.